Hello, my name is Imani Spencer. We're gonna be making a pizza. It's gonna be so much fun. It's gonna be a vegan pizza with pineapples and tomatoes and onions and peppers.
Did you welcome them to your channel?
Welcome to my channel.
Okay. And how old are you? Tell them how old are you?
I'm 4, but I'm turning 5 too.
When are you turning 5? When is your birthday?
August 21st, 2015.
Awesome. Okay, first.
Now I need some more. I need a little bit more.
Just gonna pour it all around the pizza. There you go. Tell them what you're doing.
I'm making a pizza, and I'm putting the sauce on there. So I gotta smooth it out, like real smooth it out. It smells good. When can I do it?
Okay.
It's so smooth.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay.
Now.
We gotta put the mushrooms. Like this big old mushroom. I love mushrooms. This one looks like a real mushroom. Mommy, mushrooms are made out of what again?
Awesome. Now we have the jackfruit and pineapple.
Jackfruit and pineapple. So my mom's gonna pour it on there because it's too hot. I can't do it because it might sting me. What is this? The sauce tastes good. Now after this, we're gonna put tomatoes.
It's looking good already. It's looking good already.
Look.
Okay, now we're gonna put some what? Go ahead and put some
tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Everybody eat tomatoes so we can fill the whole piece up with tomatoes. Tomatoes.
I love tomatoes.
Lots more tomatoes. We have banana peppers.
Delish.
And onions.
Everybody loves onions except me because it hurts my ass.
Okay, now
this perfect pizza is looking good.
Okay.
We need some cheese.
Do we have any olives?
I don't know.
Yeah.
So the lettuce looks good on pizza. Spinach looks pretty good.
Some more banana peppers.
It's so cold.
Okay. Now, spinach.
I love spinach.
Spinach.
I need some more spinach. Oh, here's some more.
Awesome. Okay, that should be enough. And now you have your vegan cheese. Your vegan cheese is no dairy. No. So just sprinkle it.
Sprinkle.
That's fine. That's good. Okay. Now we're going to put it in the oven.